popping it down on the left side. Whoa, man, no way the swing there. You're down, hey, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Go on, mate. Look at the wings flexing, man. Oh, he's got it, he's got it. Oh.
The reaction has just been incredible. In excess of 200,000+ people watching live. Lots of new people that are seeing this kind of thing that they've never seen before.
Oh! Fair play, nice one, man, nice one. Oh, yeah. Whoa! He's down, he's up, he's down. Oh, mate, mate, no, is it? Oh. Fair play. Oh, man, fair play.
You know, that's the most amazing thing about it, is that there's been so many thousands of people who've come in and said, I didn't even know this existed. You know, I didn't realise that plane spotting was so cool, you know.
Oh, no, he didn't like that. Oh, yeah.
Very challenging, extremely challenging, especially earlier on when there were crosswinds. Now it's more of a headwind, so it's a lot, I wouldn't like to say easier, but it's a lot less challenging than with a crosswind, because obviously the aircraft's wanting to keep flying sideways, you know, and so you're getting hit by all the winds at the side, so that crosswind component brings a lot of added challenges.
Oh, bosh! Get it down, mate!
Very windy. We've had to anchor the sticks down. Singapore.